Good morning, friends. Today is February 6th. It's about lunchtime. It's a beautiful day, 50 degrees. I know I'm going to get sunburned. Haven't given you much update. The last video I showed you was excavating the site, and that continued on for another couple sessions until I got it real flat. And today I just couldn't help but start. The greenhouse kit arrived on Friday, so we took it off the truck, stacked it over here on the edge. Over the weekend I've been reading the instruction manual on how to put it together. Seems simple enough. Just don't get frustrated because there's lots of parts. There's parts in the barn. But the first step is to mark it off, get it square, and then pound these posts into the ground, which was interesting. I thought I was going to have to rent an auger, and I still may have to rent an auger. I shouldn't say that I have succeeded because I've only put in, of the 20 posts, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 left to put in. 6 of them are on fill though, so I don't really anticipate them being difficult. The ones I was concerned about was this one over here in the corner, because this is 4.5 feet under grade. This one right here. And I just assumed I was going to be piling through rocks. I did have a couple that didn't go all the way down. These two here. These posts are, well, I don't know how long they are. 3 feet? Yeah, they're 3 feet. And you're supposed to leave a foot showing, so 2 feet in the ground. So most of them went all the way in. These two here came up about 6 inches short, so I might have to cut them off and re-drill those holes. The way this works here, you've got these 3 holes here. This hole is the one that attaches the greenhouse to the poles go in here, and then there's a nut that goes through. These bottom 2 are for a board. There's a piece of 2x that goes down here that screws in this way. So the whole back here has a solid kind of backbone at the grade. So I might have to make that the top hole and dig a couple, drill a couple here for that board, which is no big deal if I only have to do it on 2 of them. So it's really been quite good. You can see that it's pretty straight down the line. One tip, I don't know if everybody knows this, I didn't know this. You know, there's that geometry equation to get a right angle here, that 2, 3, 4 angle, which is correct geometry, but now that we have the internet, you can just go online and say, this greenhouse is 18 by 36. You can ask for the diagonal on an 18 by 36, and it tells you that it's 40 feet 3 inches, which is a whole lot easier. So you just measure diagonally 40 feet 3 inches. I like geometry and everything, don't get me wrong, but it was easier to look it up. So anyway, there's a little update. I intend to get all of these hammered in. I'm going to start again at lunch. I don't think I'm going to show it to you because it's not that exciting. Anyway, thanks for joining. If I've done something wrong or you'd like to see something specifically, leave me a comment. Peace.